Andiswa. I'm from Fuleni. I applied at Unlock D as an intern in agricultural farming. They placed me at Lucanyo Hub Farming under management of Mr. Jeremy Jones, where I've got exposed to many projects to like climate adaptive strategy that is funded from Netherlands through the Dutch government and Lucanyo Hub. And where it's where I applied my skills in plumbing, and we are currently busy installing aquaponic and hydroponic system. It's whereby we harvest water from the roof to the three tanks, and then from the 3 tanks to the 2 tanks underground here, and the other one tank is circulated water to hydroponic, and then where we're going to plant plants here, and then the other one is circulate water to that tank, which is going to have fish, and then circulate water to the other tank where we're going to plant. They're gonna circulate water from this tank and then to here where we're going to plant some plant. And then we also have the overflow. Here that is taking water from here to there's another 110 pipe that is running here. That 110 pipe, and then we're going to also plant here the plants that is it's going with ground, and then where we're going to take water up to the borehole here to keep the borehole wet. I would love to thank you, Unlock G, for giving this opportunity, and to also thank to Mr. Jeremy to expose me in this project. It's where I applied my skill and where I learned a lot of things. So thank you.